Light warrior, do you want to be strong like Popeye? What did Popeye eat that gave him his energy? Spinach. Understanding the authentic power behind spinach and applying it to your everyday life so that you can become the person that you came here to be. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on their evolutionary journey. So you remember when Popeye would crack open that can of spinach, take down that spinach, and all of a sudden he'd have all this energy to fight the bad guys, right? Well, what is the authentic power and importance behind spinach? So several things that maybe we are all aware of are the many vitamins that spinach provides for us. What else are we aware of? Iron, right? But what is the authentic power? Why is spinach so powerful? Chlorophyll. Spinach is packed with chlorophyll, and chlorophyll has taken in its energy from the sun. So that's why spinach is so powerful and gives us so much energy, because the chlorophyll has absorbed the energy from the sun. The power behind spinach is from the high amounts of chlorophyll. So the sun is giving all of the earth's energy what it needs. Everything is provided by the sunlight. So this is the first step. Once photosynthesis has taken place, it becomes edible energy. And when we're eating direct edible energy straight from the chlorophyll, we are getting more efficient energy from this type of food. So, for example, if you're eating an animal that ate the plant taking in the chlorophyll, that's secondary, or could be tertiary, third, right? So that energy from the direct sun is starting to break down. This is a different way, thinking in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla said the central source of the energy that operates the earth is the sun. So we want to be as direct as possible when we ingest the energy from the sun. So the hidden knowledge, spinach, when Popeye used to crack open that can of spinach, is because of the high amounts of chlorophyll. Many other vitamins, iron, very healthy for us, but we should be conscious that when we ingest chlorophyll, we are ingesting the primary change from sunlight to an edible source. We should be connected to the sun, and that is going to raise our vibration and improve our physical and mental health. So many different ways that we can include spinach in our everyday lives, right? As always, I do incorporate spinach in one of my world famous hummuses, right? And another thing about eating hummus or using the food processor, you're grinding down the food, right, to a very pure form. So you can ingest it and the body will absorb it more efficiently. Sometimes when we're chewing on food, chewing on a steak, right, we're not really chewing it down and we're just swallowing it. We should take our time when we chew. The food processor, or making different versions of hummus, right, it's breaking it down for us so we can ingest it more efficiently into the body. Sauteed spinach with a little bit of garlic, very good. My mother does that phenomenal. Love my mother, right? And I used to eat that growing up. If you make a lentil soup, you could add spinach into the lentil soup. So in my everyday life, those are three things that I would incorporate the spinach into my diet, whether it's in hummus, sauteed spinach with garlic, or incorporating it in lentil soup. We should be conscious of the importance of chlorophyll into our body so it will help raise our vibration and improve our physical and mental health. If you are new to this channel, we break down our reality in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration so that we can improve everyone's physical and mental health. So when we used to see Popeye beating up all those bad guys, getting his energy from spinach, the energy authentically is from the high amounts of chlorophyll, and that energy has come from the sun. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of the health benefits of spinach, which is chlorophyll. Raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. Remember, light warriors, it's not a diet, it's a lifestyle, right? Diets we come off of. So do your own research. Research the diet that resonates with you. There are many different healthy diets, but always pick the one that resonates with you by using your research. And as always, light warrior, question everything, because questioning everything is your birthright. That's the best I could do for Popeye. I don't know. Whatever. Gotta get me some spinach.